Showcase examples of raised beds for easy access and soil control. Introduce the concept of companion planting for natural pest control. Discuss using mulch to reduce watering and weed growth. Conclusion. Embrace the low-maintenance lifestyle. Recap the key takeaways from the video. Encourage viewers to share their own low-maintenance garden tips in the comments. Offer a call to action to subscribe and stay tuned for more gardening advice. A sunny, landscaped backyard garden pathway. Mid-afternoon light casts soft shadows. A winding pathway of tan and beige gravel is bordered by round, terracotta-colored stones. Various drought-tolerant plants, including succulents, yuccas, grasses, and agave, in muted natural colors like greens, tans, and purples, are arranged along the edges and within the garden beds. The ground is covered with a mix of bark mulch and gravel. Large, light-colored rocks are scattered throughout the garden, adding a natural texture. A wooden fence runs along the property line, and a light beige house with tan roof is in the background. A vibrant, hyper-realistic close-up of a succulent and cactus garden. Many different types of succulents and cacti are densely planted in a gravel bed, with various sizes and shapes. The colorful flowers are prominent, particularly bright pink blossoms interspersed among the plants. The gravel is a mix of light beige and reddish-brown stones, and various sized rocks of light gray and light taupe colors are incorporated throughout the garden design, some quite large. The succulents have a wide variety of leaf and stem textures, from smooth, fleshy leaves to spiny, elongated cacti. The plants are arranged in a natural, unforced way, almost seeming to spill over and nestle around each other. A modern, contemporary home's backyard landscape. Hyper-realistic rendering of a meticulously designed outdoor space. Light gray paving stones create a pathway through a gravel bed, winding around large, natural river rocks. Various plants, including shrubs, palms, and succulents, line the pathway and surround the home structure. A light gray/beige home exterior with a dark gray pergola overhang provides shade. A section of a wooden deck is visible next to the path. Purple flowering shrubs, various green leafy plants, and grasses blend together in a natural yet organized aesthetic. Soft lighting casts natural shadows, highlighting the textures of the stone and plants. A high-angle, aerial view of a meticulously landscaped courtyard. Hyper-realistic rendering. The scene features a patio area with gray paving stones, a small seating area with dark gray outdoor furniture. Lush, vibrant green grass takes up a significant portion of the courtyard, with well-defined geometric patterns in some sections. The courtyard is surrounded by a variety of plants, including bushes, shrubs, hedges, and tropical-looking foliage in shades of deep green, vibrant yellow, and hints of light orange and peach from flowering plants. A meticulously landscaped courtyard garden, hyper-realistic in style. A pathway of smooth, various-sized gray stones meanders through a bed of short, vibrant green artificial turf. The stones lead through a gravel area edged by lush plantings of various tropical foliage, including large, vibrant green leaves and some with yellow-green highlights. Several medium to large, dark gray rocks are strategically placed, adding texture and visual interest. A wooden deck, featuring dark brown planks supported by dark gray support beams, sits beneath a large window with dark glass. Natural light filters through the glass, casting soft shadows. A meticulously designed Zen garden, hyper-realistic in style. A meandering pathway of flat, oval dark gray stones and smooth white pebbles leads to a light brown wooden deck. The pathway winds through a variety of lush greenery, including vibrant green tropical plants, ferns, and a bonsai-style evergreen tree. Large, dark gray rocks are strategically placed throughout the garden, adding a natural, stony element. A dark brown wooden fence with gray concrete posts borders the garden. Palm trees and other tropical plants create a dense backdrop. The house is a bright white color with black framed sliding glass doors. A patio scene with 4 dark gray, rounded planter pots, each holding varying greenery and a cluster of small, light purple flowers. The planters sit on a light gray stone patio, surrounded by small, dark gray pebbles. A light beige wooden plank wall runs along the back of the patio. A dark gray metal exterior wall, with vertical panels, extends from the wooden wall. Behind that wall is a glimpse of lush, green landscaping and trees. The overall impression is of a modern, outdoor patio space, rendered in a hyper-realistic style. Include a soft, natural light source casting a subtle shadow. A sunny outdoor patio area, layered with different textures and plants. A large, patterned rug sits on a flagstone patio, anchoring 2 light taupe sectional sofas, each with colorful throw pillows. A large, natural stone fire bowl sits in the center of the rug. The garden is a mix of cacti, succulents, flowering plants, and grasses, showcasing a variety of greens, oranges, terracotta, and neutral tones. The background features rolling hills and trees against a soft, pastel sky. The overall style is natural, bohemian, and inviting, with a focus on warm, earthy colors and natural elements. A modern urban courtyard, a landscaped area next to a multi-story brick and dark gray metal building. A series of sleek, matte black, rectangular planters, filled with vibrant green herbs, leafy vegetables, and flowering plants, are arranged along the side of the building. A stone border of white pebbles surrounds the planters. A lush lawn stretches across the foreground, bordered by the planters in a naturalistic aesthetic. The building's facade is primarily composed of terracotta brick and dark gray metal panels. Ivy or a similar climbing vine decorates portions of the brick wall. The image is presented in a hyper-realistic and photorealistic style, with detailed textures and colors. A modern house exterior with a landscaped patio. A variety of potted plants, including topiary balls, small trees, and shrubs, are arranged in stylized, textured brown ceramic pots on a stone patio. The plants are vibrant green and the pots are set against a light gray stone wall. The house is light beige/white with dark brown window blinds. The patio is edged with a gravel border. The image is hyper-realistic, with detailed foliage and textures. The lighting suggests a sunny day. The composition is symmetrical and balanced with a focused center area of plants. A close-up of raised wooden garden beds filled with vibrant green leafy vegetables. Several different kinds of leafy greens are visible, including lettuces, spinach, and possibly other leafy greens and herbs. Small seedlings and plants are also present. The wooden beds are light brown, showing some natural wood grain and texture. The beds are situated on a gravel path, which is a mix of reddish-brown and grayish pebbles. The background features a wooden fence and more greenery, creating a garden setting. Impressionistic style with soft focus on the background. The lighting is natural daylight, casting soft shadows. Include details of the different kinds of leaves and plants within the beds. A woman with dreadlocks, light brown hair, and a light gray t-shirt stands in front of a wall covered with various succulents and other greenery. The succulent space, creating a vibrant and welcoming atmosphere, capture the transformation from a sterile space to a serene and inspiring living environment. Discuss the positive psychological and physical effects of indoor greenery, promoting relaxation, focus, and well-being. Showcase the space now as a perfect blend of minimalist design and vibrant greenery, a space that inspires and nourishes. Close with a call to action, encouraging viewers to consider incorporating vertical indoor gardens into their own homes. A modern, concrete house nestled within a lush tropical garden. Hyper-realistic rendering. Large floor-to-ceiling windows and sliding glass doors open to a wooden deck. The house features a full-wall, vertical garden of various tropical plants and ferns covering the exterior walls of the building. Deep, rich green tones dominate, contrasted with warm, natural browns from the wood furnishings and decking. The interior is well-lit, showcasing a spacious library area with wooden bookshelves filled with books. Comfortable, modular seating in muted tan and orange tones and accented with throw pillows, sits on the deck alongside a small, wooden coffee table. A modern, dark gray concrete structure against a backdrop of lush, green foliage. A spacious, modern living area with a large, vibrant vertical garden wall. Hyper-realistic rendering. Concrete walls and floors in muted gray tones. Warm, golden yellow pendant lights hang from the ceiling. A comfortable, tan leather sectional sofa and matching armchair are positioned in front of the vertical garden wall, along with a round coffee table. The vertical garden features various types of lush green plants and moss, arranged in a pattern of dark gray squares. Large, floor-to-ceiling windows allow natural light to flood the space, showcasing greenery outside. A few potted plants add to the natural ambience. The scene evokes a calming and sophisticated feel, drawing inspiration from nature and contemporary design. A spacious, light-filled courtyard garden. Impressionistic, yet detailed, depicting a modern tropical-style house. Beige/tan stucco walls and natural wood beams. Abundant, lush green foliage, including banana trees, large leaves, and palm trees, creating a sense of dense jungle. A paved pathway of light tan/beige stones winds through the gravel courtyard. A long, low, light beige sofa with wooden frame, and several comfortable cushions, is positioned within the courtyard. Natural light streams through large windows and sliding doors, illuminating the scene. The color palette is warm and earthy, with variations of greens, tans, and beiges. There is a patio area with a sofa and smaller seating. A modern, tropical-style outdoor living space featuring a tiered waterfall garden leading to a modern home. The scene is hyper-realistic, showcasing intricate details in the textures and lighting. Dark, textured stone walls and steps are contrasted by lush greenery, cascading waterfalls, and strategically placed lighting. The plants include a variety of tropical foliage, ferns, and palms, creating a dense, verdant landscape. The waterfall flows down tiered, dark stone structures, creating a soothing atmosphere. Soft, warm, ambient lighting highlights the stonework and foliage, creating a dramatic mood. The home's facade is a dark, concrete structure with large windows showcasing the interior living space. A modern, spacious rooftop terrace overlooking a city skyline at dusk. The terrace is made of brown wooden decking, with integrated lighting that outlines the seating area. Light gray outdoor sectional sofas and ottomans are positioned on the deck, alongside a small dark brown wooden coffee table. The terrace extends to a modern interior space with a large dining area, characterized by light wood furniture and beige/tan colored sofas. Large windows and sliding glass doors provide seamless views from the outside to the interior, showcasing a sophisticated, integrated living space. Tall potted plants and lush greenery are strategically placed throughout the terrace, adding an artistic touch. A modern, eco-friendly house, nestled in a lush tropical garden. Hyper-realistic rendering, showcasing the interplay of concrete, wood, and greenery. The house features large windows and glass balconies covered in verdant plants, creating a seamless transition between interior and exterior. The walls and roof are partially covered with vertical gardens, cascading down towards a wide wooden deck with comfortable outdoor furniture. The house has a contemporary design, with a neutral color palette featuring warm concrete tones, dark woods, and various shades of green from the lush foliage. A cozy, well-lit interior is visible through the large windows, with furniture and plants. A spacious, modern home office with a strong focus on indoor greenery. A large wall-mounted wooden planter box system filled with various tropical plants and lush greenery, creating a vibrant, natural aesthetic. The concrete walls add a raw, industrial touch to the space, complemented by wooden furniture and floors. The lighting is bright but diffused, emphasizing the depth and textures of the plants. The room has large windows that frame a view of a lush outdoor garden, appearing slightly subdued in tone, contrasted by the vibrant indoor greenery. The color palette leans towards warm browns, deep greens, and muted grays. A cozy, bright, and inviting home office or study. Hyper-realistic rendering of a room with a large window overlooking a lush green garden. Warm, natural wood floors and a long, rustic wooden desk with drawers and a comfortable chair. A modern, white iMac computer sits on the desk, with assorted houseplants in various pots and sizes surrounding it and lining the walls. A vertical wall of hanging plants creates a green canopy effect, and string lights add a warm, ambient